Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money by reading emails online, meaning that you will be paid for clicking buttons just. And you can do it anywhere because it is worldwide. So all you have to do is to watch this video till the end so that you won't miss an important info. This method is very easy. You will be paid using PayPal. Please like this video and subscribe. So first let's go to PayPal to create account if you don't have any. So go to paypal.com. PayPal is a platform that helps you to get payment and send money online. And it works around the world. Now click on sign up for free. Then make sure that your country is selected. Enter mobile number. They send you the confirmation code on your SIM card number, so make sure you write it correctly. Now they will ask you to enter email, names, and you set yourself a password. Now click on following. Then you have to fill in your address. Then tick all these boxes. Click on Accept and open account. So now you have successfully created PayPal account that will help you to receive payment. Now let me show you the website that will be paying you for clicking on emails. And you can earn extra cash by completing surveys. Go to www.paidtoreademail.com. Write it as it is here. So this is how it works. In 3 simple steps. Step 1, sign up. Step 2, read emails. Step 3, get paid. And here is the reason you should join. You receive daily paid emails. Quick payment processing within 24 hours. Low payout limit, only $15. You receive $3 for signing up. You can increase money by taking surveys. You can also refer friends and earn more. So let's sign up. Select your gender, name, email, and set yourself a password. Then click Sign Up. Enter these additional information. Then click Sign Me Up. You can see that we have successfully activated our account. And we got sign-up bonus of $3. So here you can make money on cash surveys, cash offers, earn points, and paid emails. So to start, you have to confirm to activate your email. So go to your email and confirm, so that you will be getting emails to read and get paid. Click Activate your paid to read email. Now to receive payment, you go to Account. Select Request Payment. Then if you have $15 and above, you will enter your PayPal email and request payment. Because this is a new account, I only have sign up bonus, so I can't get paid yet. So thanks for watching. Please like this video, share and subscribe for more useful tutorials.